How to set up Apple Pay for kids. Step 1, on your iPhone, open your settings and then tap on Wallet and Pay. And then after that, step 2, scroll down and find Apple Cash and then enable it if it's not already active for you. You will need to verify your identity if it asks so. And then after that, step 3, still within your wallet and Apple Pay, tap Family or set up Family and add your child's Apple account under your family group. Step 4, once your child is part of your family sharing, under Wallet and Apple Pay settings, for that child, enable the Apple Cash family, and this allows them to use Apple Cash under supervisions. If that doesn't work, you can go to your profile and then go to family sharing, and then click the top right icon, and then add or create your child account or invite your child. And after that, you can now fill out this one and verify that you're an adult and invite your child account into your Apple Cash family. Step 5, to fund your or their Apple Cash, you can send money from your own Apple Cash balance or Apple Pay, and then or from your own bank account and request money from them, and they will see the balance in their wallet. Step 6, on your child's iPhone or Apple Watch, they can use your Apple Pay for in-store payments, online or in-app, as long as they authenticate. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.